guys on Internet Land, we're working on Rome Standard 6.72 today. The first thing you need to do is pull in part of your standard, and it's already pizzazzled here, so you need to get it highlighted. And then put in a table that is 3 by 8. And when you get that done, the class here is working on the same thing, then we'll all start the video together. Okay, each one of these in your 3 by 8 table, your first column is going to be Greek god or goddess. The next one's going to be Roman god or goddess. And the last one's going to be their job description. So that's what you need to put in the top row of those cells of your table. Now, if you want to go ahead and color code your table, this entire cell is going to be the yellow you see here. This entire cell is going to be the green. And this one, I didn't even highlight because it's job descriptions. So how many needs a second to catch up? Here we go. Okay, here we go. All right. Now, this column right here that says Greek gods or goddesses, I'm going to remove this, hopefully. Yep, there we go. Let's just delete it completely. There we go. All right. You're going to put in each one of these cells the name of this Greek god or goddess. Zeus, Hermes, Aphrodite, Ares, Poseidon, Titan or Kronos. This is that video you watched that day. Hades and Hera. And we also watched a video on all these Greek gods and goddesses. So right now, make your first column look like mine. All right, all of those names that are in your standard, Jupiter, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Neptune, Saturn, Pluto, and Hera, all of those match up with those Greek gods. So, for example, Zeus. Who is the Roman god that matches the Greek god Zeus? Miguel? Jupiter. All right, let's see if he's right. He is correct. So you would put Jupiter in there. Now, the only catch you have is Hera is a Greek god. She's already mentioned here, so you can put Hera in the Roman mythology slot, but she has a different name according to the Roman mythology. So what you're doing is you're matching Jupiter, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Neptune, Saturn, Pluto with the Greek god that they match. Now, if you mess it up, it's okay because we're going to check over it here in a minute. If you know the one, though, go ahead and put it in because you're eliminating every time you use one, you are eliminating it, and that leaves you with less and less. So let's see if you can match them up. You can work by yourself or you can work with a partner near you to try to figure them out. All right, I'm going to give you, let's say, 3 minutes. Go. Okay, here we go. All right, Hermes. Who is the Roman god, Malik, that matches the Greek god that matches, who is the Roman god that matches the Greek god Hermes? Mercury. He says Mercury. Who agrees? Who's not sure? He is correct. Mercury it is. Okay, Madison, who is the Roman god that matches the Greek god Aphrodite? She says Venus. Who agrees? Oh, she is correct. Venus it is. Okay, Drew, who is the Roman god that matches the Greek god Poseidon?
You forgot Ares.
Oh, sorry, Ares, Drew.
Mars.
He says Mars. Who agrees? Correct.
Yes.
All right, Alyssa, who is the Roman god that matches the Greek god Poseidon? Neptune. Who agrees? She's correct. Okay, it ends up that this next Roman god is actually a Titan, Kronos, in Greek mythology. Who is it, Malik?
Saturn.
He says Saturn. What do you say, Miles?
Saturn.
Who agrees? Anybody not sure about that one? Correct answer? Saturn. All right, 2 more. Odalis, who is the Roman god that matches the Greek god Hades?
Pluto.
Pluto, who agrees? I thought Pluto was the one that was a little Disney cartoon character.
Oh yeah. My sister has that dog.
Pluto's correct. All right, and Malik. All right, not Malik. Miguel, the last one. Who's the Roman god that matches the Greek god Hera? He says that the Roman god's name is Juno. Let's see if he's correct. He is correct. Good job, Miguel. All right, next one, job description. Okay, who knows the job description of Zeus? Miguel. King of the gods. Who agrees? Yes, from your video you watched that day in class, you know that Zeus is the god of all gods. He is the boss. So that means that Jupiter must be the boss, because he's the Roman god that matches Zeus. All right, who knows from our video, this was a little guy we had, Hermes. What his job was, Malik?
A messenger?
Messenger. Who agrees? Anybody think it's something different? Well, guess what, Malik? I hate to tell you, but you are correct. Hermes is the one, he's the messenger god.
He has the wings on his
Yeah, has the little wings on his feet.
And a little frog.
Quincy, are you getting this typed? Okay, what is the job? Oh, Madison, this was yours. What's the job of Aphrodite and Venus? Yes. All right, god or goddess? This is a what? Goddess. So Aphrodite is the goddess of love. Okay. Ares and Mars. Who knows what they're... Miles. God of war. You are exactly right. Ares or Mars is the god of war.
This means war. And this is Sparta.
Okay, Poseidon. This one's pretty common. You should know this one. Poseidon's the god of what, Joseph?
The sea.
Okay? Yes. We put in first period the god of fresh water and the sea. So Poseidon, Neptune, god of the sea. Now, the Titan in Greek mythology and Saturn in Roman mythology is what, Malik?
God of Mount Olympus?
God of Mount Olympus. What do you say, Quincy? Okay, that is correct. The Kronos was Zeus's father, and Saturn was Jupiter's father. Or what else do you know about him, Miles?
He's the father of the gods, so he used to be in power, but he ate his kids and then
Remember that crazy video we watched about the Titans?
That was free.
It was crazy, wasn't it? Okay, so here's what we put from first period. The Titan of time, the harvest, and wheat. And we also put that it was Zeus's father. We could also add in there Jupiter's father.
And Pluto.
Oh, yeah, because they were brothers. Okay, I got you. I'm with you now. All right. Hades. You should know this one. What is it? Somebody's not answered. Anybody? Wait. God of the underworld. And the last one, Hera. Who knows Hera? Jay. Okay, was Zeus's wife. What else? What's her job description? What was her job description? Do you know? Hunter. What do you say? Let's see who's right. Goddess of marriage. Okay? So yes, she was also Zeus's wife. She was also Zeus's sister. Okay? Alright, so here's what you're going to do. As soon as you get this chart completely done, you're going to close that document and submit it in Canvas for Rome Standard 6.72. Okay? Soon as it is done, color-coded, you're getting points taken off if you haven't pizzazzled those keywords in that standard. So make sure it is completely done. Your color coding does not have to match mine, but you need to have all the information. Then you will submit it in Canvas under Standard 6.72. Those of you in Internet land, in the words of, who was it? A comedian. Get her done. Who said that?
Get her done.
Get her done. See you, bye.
James.
Can't remember.